Hi guys, welcome back to our channel 1-2-Step. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys on how you can add a new payment method in your Apple ID. So to do that, first of all, you need to be in your app library, and after that, just go to settings and open it. And now just go to the top bar over there with your name on it that says Apple ID, iCloud, Media and Purchases. Just tap on it, and now you can see the third option that says payment and shipping. We need that, so just tap on this one, wait for it to load, and after it loads, just type the new number of your new payment card or anything that you use. It can be a Visa card, a MasterCard, an American Express, and just write down the durability of the card, like when it expires. And after that, you need to type in the security code. And finally, after you're done filling in the details, just tap on done right there on the top right corner. You can also change the billing address, which is right below it, and you can just tap on done, and then you would have successfully changed your new payment method. So guys, that's how you change your payment method in Apple ID. If you found this video helpful, then please leave us a like and drop a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.